These are the factory tires of my 2025 Camry, and today I'm replacing them with brand new touring tires that nobody's really tested yet. The question is, will I actually notice a difference? My Camry came with hand-cooked Kinergy GT tires from the factory. As you can see, they still have plenty of tread left, so this should be a fair comparison, not an upgrade from worn-out tires. What's going on, guys? It's Marco from Marco's Home Garage, and today we're doing a real-world tire review. Overall, these are pretty comfortable tires for daily driving, but let's look at some actual data. Cabin sound is really important to a lot of people, and I wanted to measure what my current tires sound like using a decibel reader on my iPhone. At 25 miles per hour, I was getting about 60 decibels. At 40 miles per hour, I was seeing around 62 decibels. And at 70 miles per hour, it jumped up to around 75 decibels. So they're definitely not loud tires, but you can hear the road more as speed increases. This isn't a direct head-to-head comparison, but I think it's important to get a baseline before switching tires. Quick disclosure, Dunlop sent me their Blue Response all-season tires to test. They're not paying me to make a review, so this will just be my honest experience for you, the viewer. I got the Blue Response tires installed at Mavis. Everything went smooth. Now let's see how they perform. Dunlop designed these tires to reduce road noise, improve wet traction, and maintain a smooth ride. But what really matters is how they perform in the real world. Using the exact same roads and speeds, here's how the new tire noise compares. Right away at 25 miles per hour, I'm seeing about 50 decibels. That's a noticeable drop from before. At 40 miles per hour, I'm seeing about 60 decibels. Again, that's a noticeable drop from before. And at 70 miles per hour, with the biggest improvement, I'm seeing about 69 decibels. Okay, I've been driving on these Blue Response all-season tires for a few days now. And the first thing I noticed with these is the cabin definitely sounds quieter, especially on smoother roads. Even if you're just pulling out of the parking lot, the car felt a little more refined overall. Like, if you know, sometimes with tires you can sort of hear them or they feel kind of hard. These didn't feel like that at all. You know, if I'm being honest, it's actually quite a dramatic difference between my old tires. It's definitely noticeable, especially once you start paying attention to the road noise and how it feels with the how the car feels underneath you. It's kind of hard to explain, but the tires feel more grounded, almost like they're gripping the road just a little bit better. I've done a combination of city driving or around town driving and highway, and around town certainly the ride feels smoother and a little more controlled, even over rough pavement. Like, I've hit some bumps, there were some potholes. Not that my old tires were bad or there was anything wrong with those, but these just feel like they're almost like they're assisting the shocks a little more, and it feels softer over bumps. On the highway, at highway speeds, the car feels more planted and, again, refined. I feel like I have better control. I mean, it does get a little louder, but that's with any tire. The faster you go, typically there will be some more road noise, but it's a lot less noticeable with these tires as opposed to my old tires. Some people may be curious about handling. I didn't do anything crazy, but I did take some turns and some curves a little harder than I normally may, just to kind of test them. And they handled the turns beautifully, and it just feels comfortable, like you're really gripping road. So I feel really confident with these tires under me. And my previous tires, they performed well in handling conditions, so no complaints there. But these feel, they're both a low profile, thicker tire. They're designed to grip, so they're doing their job. And I feel like I could have taken the turns I did even faster, but obviously we want to remain safe, not do anything too crazy. So I feel like they handle very well in any condition. I was fortunate to get a rainy day, and I did do some wet driving conditions. I came to a hard stop, which I'll show you here. Okay, while conditions are wet and rainy, I did want to do a quick drive with the new tires, and my first impressions are that they feel slightly more grounded. Not that the old tires were slippery, but these just feel like they're wicking water a little better. I also noticed in my old tires, whenever I'd hit a puddle or like a pocket of water, it would really hit the bottom of the car pretty hard. Whereas I've ran into a couple of puddles with these tires and it doesn't seem to do that as much. So I think maybe it's wicking the tires or wicking the water a little better. I also want to do a hard stop somewhere inconspicuous just to see how they feel. Nothing too crazy, maybe at like 25 to a hard stop. So let's try that. Okay, so doing about 25 right now, and I'm gonna come to a pretty hard stop. That was pretty good. It just feels nicer to drive with these Dunlops on than the old Hancooks I had on. The Hancooks were fine tires. I just think these are maybe a bit of a step up, or a little quieter. So it's really nice to drive so far. The tires handled the wet conditions really well. Let's talk warranty for a moment. One thing I also wanted to touch on is the warranty coverage Dunlop includes with these Blue Response all-season tires. These come backed by Dunlop's MAXX Warranty package, and honestly, it's more than I expected from a touring tire. First off, these tires include an 80,000-mile limited tread life warranty, which is a pretty strong number for an all-season touring tire like this. They also include road hazard protection, which can help if you run into something unexpected like a nail or pothole damage early in the tire's life. Another thing I thought was interesting is the 90-day trial period. So if somebody buys these tires and decides they're not the right fit for their driving style, Dunlop actually gives you some peace of mind there. They also back these with a 7-year warranty, which again shows they're really positioning these as a long-term daily driving tire. Beyond just the warranty itself, Dunlop put a lot of focus into comfort and longevity with these tires. They use silica in the tread compound to help with fuel economy and wet traction, and the tread pattern is designed to help reduce road noise and maintain performance as the tire wears. If you guys want to read through all the details for yourselves, I'll put the Dunlop warranty link down in the description below. So overall, it seems like Dunlop wasn't just focused on performance here. They also wanted to give some people confidence long-term if they're using these as an everyday commuting tire. So as I'm getting to the final verdict, or the final tests of this review, I think if you're looking for a comfortable, quiet daily driver, and you have a sedan like a 2025 Toyota Camry XLE, which I have, I think these are great tires. I think these would be a really good choice. They're, like I said, they're quiet, they're comfortable, they give me confidence while I'm driving, they handle well, so I think these would be the perfect tire. They seem well suited for a car like the Camry, where comfort, refinement, and everyday usability matter more than aggressive performance. Overall, I think Dunlop did a really good job with these tires, and I would certainly recommend them for anybody who's looking for the things I spoke about in this video. Well, there you have it, guys. That's my review of the Dunlop Blue Response all-season tires. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. I also want to thank the good folks at Dunlop for giving me the opportunity to review their tires. Thanks for watching. Take care.